So I got a 2020 Subaru Crosstrek here, and I'm going to show you how to check the oil level.
All right, we're going to check the oil level right now. So here's our dipstick right up front. I'm going to wipe it down clean. And we're going to put the dipstick back in. And pull it out. I'm going to check our level. And it's nice and clean, and it's right up to the mark, which is right here. So the marks go between these two dots, here, and it's right to the top here. So it's nice and clean. The oil's nice and clean. So the level is fine. As long as you're in between these two dots in the middle, say right here, you are good.
So if you had to bring the oil level up, the fill is in the front of the vehicle right here, and this one says it takes 0W20 on it. So you would take off your cap, like this, and you could get a funnel, put a funnel into it, and add a little bit of oil at a time. Keep checking your fluid level like we just showed you until it's up to the proper mark, and then top it off. Then you'd put your cap back on. There you go. Thanks for watching the video. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment and I will reply back to you.